Hello everyone, here is Anshika Chaudhary from English on English Training Academy. Today I want to share something about on the basis of Tree of a Life. I think you also join and apply this on your life. So, may I start?
Why not?
Every country has a USP, a unique selling proposition. If we talk about USA, so it has a USP, freedom, liberty and comfort for the others. Whenever we talk about the Japan has a USP, technology. And whenever we talk about India, so India also has a USP, a unique selling proposition, something that all of us are known for. So, when anyone say how we recognize an Indian, so yeah. Now first you notice something like a man or a lady who will use the toothpaste using the balance, the rolling pin, by out the toothpaste from the toothpaste, and a man or a lady who will wear the t-shirt, and whenever they are satisfied to wear the t-shirt and all is presented in, then they started to wear in the night, and after whenever they satisfied to wear in the night, then they started to mopping. So yeah, Indians, we are known for our sparing nature. Indians are known for many things, like Indians are known for cricket, Indians are known for Bollywood, Indians are known for indeed many things, but what Indians are especially famous for. So Indians are especially famous for in the field of spirituality. Yes, you saw many people that some people come from Europe, some people come from America, many people come from many part of the country to see the beauty of the India. Yes, if you go in the Himalaya and if you go in the Rishikesh, you will find many people who are coming to learn here spirituality, who are coming to learn here yoga, who are coming to learn here meditation. Yes, here they are coming to learn the spiritual development. And whenever we talk about the wellness, how we neglect the principle of spirituality wellness. It's a beautiful analogy. It's called a tree of a life. Yes, one of the most important part of the tree is its root. The tree has a three aspect of it intimately. The number one is the roots, the second one is the trunk, and the third is the crown of the tree. So first we talk about the roots. A healthy tree has a healthy roots. The deeper the roots, the stronger the roots. A tree can stand strong and stronger in the time of a cyclone, hurricanes, storms, etc. So, the roots are compared with our spiritual developments. Our roots are unseen to the world. So, it's compared with our spiritual development. Like our achievements are seen to people, our success is seen to people, our money is seen to people. What is not seen to the people? It's our spiritual developments. It's our roots. So we need to work on what is unseen, because if you don't work what is unseen, so it is very difficult what is seen to the people. So we need to what is unseen to the people. And like when I talk that roots, so roots are connect with each other. So we also need to connect with each other. If you connect with each other, first you connect yourself, then after we connect with everyone. Now I am talking about the second aspect of tree. It's the trunk. So trunk is our emotional well-being. Like if the tree has a strong and deeper the roots, so the trunk will be also stable and strong in the time of a cyclone, So don't give your remote control of your emotion to the others. If you give your remote control to the others, so you are not a perfect human being in this world. Like I am happy because someone make me happy. I am sad because someone make me sad. So I have no guts to take my remote controls in my own hand. So we need to take our remote controls in our hand. Now I am talking about the third aspect of the tree. It's the crown of the tree. The crown is our contribution to the others. So the crown is where the leaves come. The crown is where the flowers come. The crown is where the fruits come. The fruits for the others, the leaves for the others, and the shade of the tree is also for the others. Only here we saw that the contribution of the others. So we need to contribute ourselves to the others. But how we contribute? If I have knowledge, so I am able to give knowledge to others. If I have money, so I am able to give money. So first be selfish. Care for yourself. First care for your roots and crown. First care for your roots and trunk. Then after you will make a good crown for the everyone. So here we learn that how we can contribute ourselves to the others. And a great scholar, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Abul Paki Zainulabuddin Abdul Kalam said, if you want to look handsome, so give your hand to some. So you automatically look handsome. Because handsome is not about beauty and looks. It's about our contribution to the others. If you are beautiful, it's God gift to you. If you are living your life beautiful, it's your gift to the God. So yeah, we learned the three aspects, and we learned with 33 aspects like connection, cultivation, and the contribution to others. Thank you for your kind attention.